Hello student, in class 7 exercise 2.7 we are in question number 3. So again the division process is there. So here we have the two number, one is a decimal number, second you can say whole number. So let's get started now. So 2.7, as you know, it can be written as 27 upon 10. Here you convert into multiplication, so it will be the reciprocal of 100, 1 upon 100. Finally we can easily solve. 27 upon 30 will be there, so 1000, and equals to, so here 3 zeros are there, so 30 means what? After point how many number will be there? 3 number. So it is 27, put 1 0 point. So here it is 0.027. So then the second one you have to use same procedure, 3 upon 10 into 1 upon 100. So it means it is after 130 will be there, 1000 will be there. So after decimal point how many number? 3 number. So this is the number, put 20 because we need 3 number point. Okay. Third one, 78 upon 100 because after point 2 number into 1 upon 100. So equals to after 140. Got that? So after point how many number? Total 4 number. So write 78 as it is, put 20 point. So our answer is 0.0078. And then the next number write as it is, divided by 10 into 1 upon 100. So after 130 will be there, right number as it is. So our answer is 0.4326. So here it is 0.4326. This is the answer. So now for the next question, write number first, divided by 10 into 1 upon 100. 236 upon 1000. It means the answer is 0.236. And here write number as it is upon 100 into 1 upon 100. So finally write number as it is, after 140 will be there. So our answer is 0.9853. So I hope you understood this. After this we will move for the next question. So our next question is question number 4. Again same kind of question is there. So write this number as it is upon 10 into 1 upon 1000. So do the multiplication. 79 into 1 is 79. After 1 you have to add the 0, 1 2 3 4. And then it means after point how many number? 1 2 3 4. 4 numbers will be there. So write 79 as it is, insert 20 for getting total 4 digits. So the answer is 0.0079. Next one, write number without decimal point upon 10 into 1 upon 1000. So it means after 1 total 40. So it means our answer is 0.0263 because after point we need total 4 digits. Next number, so write this number as it is upon 100 because after point we have 2 number. Its reciprocal is, as we are changing the sign, 1 upon 1000. So do the multiplication, total 0, 1 2 3 4 5. So 50 will be there. Upside write as it is. Then finally here we need total 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Okay, so write number first as it is, insert 1 0, give point. So our answer is 0.03853. This is the answer. Next question, write number without decimal point upon 10 into 1 upon 1000. So it means number as it is, after 1 total 40. So it means it is, we have already 4 digits, so we don't have any confusion. This is our answer. Here 5 upon 10 into 1 upon 1000. So it means it is nothing but after 1 40, 5 as it is. So here be careful, we need total 4 digit after point. So insert 30 and this is our answer. So I hope you understood this question. After this we will move to the next question. So here we are in the next question, question number 5. So in this question we have the most of the example, we have the 2 decimal number. Okay, so now we solve that. 7 here whole number is there, you can write as it is, and here division sign 3 upon 5, 3.5 is written as 35 upon 10. So 7 into 10 will go upside 35. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 into 5 is 35. Okay, so what will be the answer? Upside 10 is as it is and downside 5 remain. So here the answer is 2 because 10 can be divided by 5. So 5 into 2 is 10. So our answer is 2. Second one, 36 as it is you write, division sign, you remove the decimal point, so it is 2 upon 10. 36 into 10 will go upside. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 into 18 is 36. So our answer is 180. Third one, write number without decimal point, so which is divided by 100, and then division sign 5 upon 10. We solve that now. So write this number as it is, into 10 will go upside, 5 will come downside. This number is divisible by 5, so 5 ones are 5, 5 into 6 is 30, then remainder will be 25. So 5 into 5 is 25. So here you check 65 is remaining and here 10 is there 100, so you can cut that 0. So upside then only 65 and downside only 10. So our answer is 6.5. Next one, same procedure you use in solving other number. So upon 100, division sign 7 upon 10. So write this number as it is, 10 will go upside, 7 will come downside. 0 0 get cancelled and this number you can divide by 7. 7 into 4 is 28, here 2 is remainder, upside take 9, again 7 into 4, 28, upside take 4, 7 into 2 is 14. So finally we got the number 442. Okay, this number we divided by 7 and downside which number is remaining? 10. So it is 44.2. Now for the next question, remove the decimal point, division sign 25 upon 100. So here it is 5 upon 10 into 100 will go upside, 25 will come downside. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. 0 0 get cancelled. So here upside only 10 remain and downside only 5 remain. So our answer is 2. Next one. So here write number without decimal point and here 25 upon 100 because after point 2 number. So here you write number as it is, change sign, so reciprocal is here 100 upon 25. So this number you can divide by 25. So here 775 divided by 25. So 25 into 3 is 75. Remainder is 2. So here 25 into 1 is 25. Downside 0. So here it is 31. And here 0 0 directly gets cancelled. So the answer is 31 only. Then this number write without decimal point upon 10, division sign 15 upon 100. 765 upon 10 into reciprocal you have to write. So this number you can divide by 15, 765 and then 15. So 15 into 4 is 60. So 15 into 5 is 75. Here remainder is 1. 15 into 1 is 15, 0. So here the answer is 51 and here 0 0 cut. So here it is 51 into remaining number 10. So it is 510. Next question. And here division sign 1.4 means 14 upon 10. Got that? So 378 upon 10 into reciprocal is 10 upon 14. So you divide this number, 378 divided by 14. So 14 into 2 is 28. So here 9 will be there, here 0. Upside take 8. So here we will check this number by 7. To carry here 7 into 1 is 7 plus 2 9. So here you use 7. Finally remainder will be 0. So answer is here. If you divide this number by 14, answer is 27 and this 10 directly cut. So here the answer is 27. This number write as it is upon 100. Division sign here upon 10. 273 upon 100 into reciprocal is 10 upon 13. So you divide this number 273 upon 13. So this number is divisible by 13. 13 into 2 is 26. Here remainder will be 1. 13 into 1 is 13. Downside 0. So answer is 21. This 0 0 will cut. So here it is 21 upon remaining number is what? We already divided this number by 13. 0 0 cut, so downside 10. So it is 2.1. So I hope you understood this. After this we will move to the next question. So here we are in the next question, that is nothing but the last question of this exercise. Vehicle cover a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter? So given information I have written, distance cover in 2.4 liter is 43.2 km. So distance cover in 1 liter you have to calculate. How you will calculate? 2.4 and here 1 liter going from larger to smaller. So we will do division. So 43.2 upon 2.4. Now we solve that. 43.2 division sign 2.4. So 432 upon 10 division sign 24 upon 10. So we write as it is 432 upon 10 into reciprocal is like that. So finally we divide this number by 24. 24 into 1 is 24. 3 minus 4 not possible. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 3 minus 2 1. Upside 2 as it is. So we will check this. 24 into 8. 32. So 3 carry. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 19. So here we will use 8. Remainder will be 0. So here 18 will be there. Here 10 directly cancel. So our answer is 18. So it means in 1 liter of petrol it will cover. They are asking how much distance will it cover. So you can say in 1 liter of petrol it will cover 18 kilometer of distance. Okay, you can finally write the statement. In 1 liter it will cover 18 kilometer distance. So I hope friend you understood this exercise. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt just comment me. Thank you.